Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will unbox review special head unit Tesla style screen for Toyota Highlander 28 to 2014 years. Okay, let me unbox review. It built in the Android 11 system and runs Snapdragon chip. Okay. This is the Tesla style screen and harness. Let me show harness it first. You can check this special harness for Toyota Highlander. This canvas decoder. Toyota Highlander 28 to 2014 years. Okay. And you can check the connector. This is a radio antenna. And this camera adapter, camera input. Okay, please check there two USB cable and this external microphone. And this is original USB adapter. This GPS antenna. This camera input. And this subwoofer and audio out. Subwoofer and audio out cable, left and right, front and rear. Okay, this is video input, left and right, and video input. Okay. Let me show you what it means. Please check this back of head unit. You can check this power fuse and audio cable. This 4G SIM card slot. This radio antenna. GPS. Okay, let me connect power. And back of head unit. This is GT6. The head unit will be started. Okay, this is head unit. The head unit turns on. Okay, this is US style. This volume button and next knob button. All apps here. This radio. You can check the next button works. Okay, and it's built in the microphone and reset hole. This volume also can touch screen control. Then all apps here. This is Car Auto for the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from it. This Google Maps. Built-in the Bluetooth. This car settings. Parking sensor, TPMS, amplifier, information, and this AC information. If you connect the AC connector and back head unit, it works with. Okay. That's factory setting. Let me check the Android setting. Data and night model. You can choose the day and night. Language. Radio. RDS. DSP amplifier, the system is Android setting. You can connect Wi-Fi. It also supports 4G and you can visit our website belsee.com. hotspot screenshot. Okay. And we'll check the Android settings. Storage. The total storage 128 GB. And let me check the model and device Android 11 system. Okay. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please visit our website, contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.